Hey guys, welcome to my front porch. So today I'm going to be doing a front porch kind of makeover. We've been living in the house now for about a year and I really haven't done too much with my front porch. So as you can see, it's pretty much kind of bare and I haven't done much except for add those two chairs there. So today I just want to give it a little pizzazz. We're going to be adding a couple of DIY projects in here, and if you saw my last video then you know absolutely what one of those projects is and how cute it turned out. So come along with me as I style and decorate my front porch. Alright, so as with any project, starting with your foundation is key. So the first thing that I did was clear everything off and then swept it and cleaned it out. So one of the first things that I'm going to start with is the anchor of the design, which is your flooring. So like I said, if you guys watched my last video, then you saw the DIY outdoor area rug that I made, and we are about to bring that out and put it in place. Now you guys cannot tell me that this thing isn't so cute. I love how it turned out. If you want to see exactly how I made this for 10 bucks, then go to watch my last video. I'll leave a link in the description box below, and I'll probably put a little card up here so you can find that video as well. So now I'm going to bring in a piece that I did just this morning. It's just a cute little welcome sign that I'm going to put here in the corner because my door is pretty much bare. And if you saw my one video on the stove topper that I made, then you saw how to paint on wood and do it with chalk first. So I did the same thing with this project. I had some leftover white paint and then I decided to make a cute little welcome sign just to go in the corner. Guys, I'm done and it is so hot out here. So you saw me put a few things in place, but are you ready to see the final front porch? I am. I think it's so cute. I hope you guys like it. So here we go. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was so fun for me to do. I'm glad I finally did it because I have been wanting to do something with my porch for the longest. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and be sure to leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know if you tried any of these DIYs or how your front porch is coming along. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.